welcome back to Tina Teach HTML. Today we'll be learning about colors. So let's take a quick look at our goal. We'll be looking at how to add colors to our elements, as well as the different ways that we can code it, for example, RGB or hex or so on. So first with the basics, HTML colors. We can assign colors to elements just by using color name. I'm going to demonstrate this with background color, okay? So we have our P element here with the style attribute, and then we have the background color property, and the value of that is tomato. As you can see here, I've put some of the names that you can literally just type into your code. Green, tomato, violet. There are actually way more colors that you can just type in using their names. I'll be putting them in the description below. Okay, so you already have the color. What if you want to change the opacity, right? So we can use, once again, the background color property, and then we can have a separate property, opacity. It's very simple. For opacity, you can either put it as a percentage or a decimal, right? 50% and 0.5 is the same thing. If you want it 90%, then it's 0.9. 1 is 100%. 0.2% is 200%, you get the idea. Okay, let's move on to the alternative ways that we can put in colors or code the color. Okay, let's look at some alternatives. Our first alternative is RGBA. As you know, R for red, G for green, B for blue, and A for alpha. It handles the opacity. So you can just put RGBA and then parentheses, you put in the value that you want it to be, and once again 0.5 for 50% opacity. It's very simple, and you can actually do this with a lot of other properties as well, not just background color. You can do it with border, with color, so on and so forth. Next up we have HSLA. Once again, A is for alpha. And you can do it exactly the same way with RGBA. You write HSLA here with parentheses, the values, and the opacity here. Okay, now let's explore some of the ways that you can add colors to your website. One of the ways is through text color. With text color, you just need the property color, and then you add in the value. As you can see here, it will be displayed as orange, green, tomato, violet. Once again, I'll put the link in the description to a list of all of the color names that are accepted by all browsers. Next up is border color. It's very self-explanatory. So let's analyze the syntax for a bit. First, we have the property border. We have 2 pixels. This defines how thick you want the lines to be. And then you have solid, which is the style of the line. Other than solid, you have spotted, dash, but for simplicity, we're just going to go with solid, and then you put in the color. Now, if you don't want tomato, you want RGBA or HSLA, you can just write HSLA, and then parentheses, just like how we learn here. Exactly like this one. Alright, okay, now let's have a quick demonstration of what we've learned so far. Let's boot up our Visual Studio Code. Back to our main file. Now let's delete all of this. And let's put in a comment learning about HTML colors. Alright. Now, we've been using the P tag way too much. Let's use another tag. Let's use the link, the A tag, right? Style, background, color. You can scroll down here and see and choose. I'm actually gonna go for Indian red, and then color will be, let's see, blue violet, okay? And then let's have border, 3 pixel solid, and then tomato. All right. Paste the link, Alt-C to wrap, and then link. All right. Now let's have a separate element. Div, style, background color. Let's go with RGBA. I'm actually just gonna, sort of spam the colors. Oh, I'm gonna put the opacity 0.5. Color would be, let's do HSLA 248, 53%, 53%, and then 0.7. As for the border, let's do 3 pixels. Actually, gonna go for dashed. Dash. Let's see. Let's go with blue violet. This is my div. All right. Control S to save. Let's format it a little bit. Format document. Ooh, okay. This doesn't look very nice. Okay, I'm actually gonna use a different color, yellow, and the border. Let's go with some sort of blue violet. Okay. Press to save. So this is what a dash border looks like, and this is what a solid border looks like. If you click on the link, it leads you to my YouTube channel. So the text is a little bit too small. I'm going to try to change the font size. Let's make it 20 pixel. Down here, let's make it 30 pixel. Dress. There you have it. I'm happy to have you with me here today. Remember, learn today, better tomorrow. I hope to see you next time. And remember to like and subscribe. Goodbye.